Hello students, our today's topic is create profit center group. In addition to the standard hierarchy of the controlling area, you can also create alternative hierarchies, which are called profit center groups. This can be used in planning, in allocations, or in the information system. Unlike the standard hierarchy, the profit center groups do not have to contain all the profit centers in the controlling area. They let you select the and regroup several profit centers in meaningful way. For creating profit center group, we can go by transaction code ACH1 or by path SAP SAP accounting, controlling, profit center accounting, master data, profit center group and create KCH1. SAP में प्रैक्टिकली देखते हैं. SAP CSS, accounting, controlling, profit center accounting, master data, profit center, group, and create KCH1. Enter here your profit center group name which you want. So click on group change. Now click on hierarchy button. Now select entry and click on lower level and add details. That is ZTRS dash UTIL utility and give name utilities. Then press enter and click on save button. Come back. Profit center by transaction code KE51 or by path SAP Easy Access, controlling, profit center accounting, master data, profit center, individual processing and create. पाथ साथ में चेक करते हैं. मास्टर डेटा, प्रॉफिट सेंटर, इंडिविजुअल प्रोसेसिंग, KE51. Enter your profit center name, profit center for P, कंपनी कोड TRE1, देन हमारा यूटिलिटीज के लिए U, एनर्जी का EN and 01. Remove controlling area and press enter. Enter here name, energy, PC. Enter full name here, energy, profit center. Enter person responsible. Enter your profit center group. And segment. TRS1. Then press enter and then click on save button. Click on continue button, but it will save in inactive status. Now click on activate. So our profit center will be activated. तो यहाँ पर हमने प्रॉफिट सेंटर ग्रुप क्रिएट किया और उसे प्रॉफिट सेंटर में असाइन कर दिया. अब पीछे जाकर चेक करते हैं प्रॉफिट सेंटर ग्रुप में. प्रॉफिट सेंटर ग्रुप डिस्प्ले एंटर आया हमारा. Come back. If we want to change anything, then we can go by KCH2, press enter, and then if we want to change here something, then we can change it.